That was annoying.
So that was an annoying start to my video, but it was fun. What are you doing over there?
Waiting for you.
I had to end the vlog from last night. I got on my Lulu row. Thomas is jealous. That was in the vlog yesterday. Thomas is jealous of my comfy leggings, aren't you? You wish you had some for yourself?
So jealous.
Anyways, we're going to go brave the weather. It's been raining on and off. Hopefully it stops. And then tonight, later, we're going to the Biltmore for the candlelight Christmas. So that should be fun. I guess I should hit the road now, so Thomas will stop giving me the look. All right, let's roll. You better read your encyclopedia while you wait. Memorize the book and tell me everything.
Floor going down.
What?
This one.
There's a dresser and a jacket and sunglasses, but no person. Is he hiding? Is he hiding?
It's behind this.
Oh my god. Scary.
First floor going up.
Going up? This hotel is like so cute. It's how I want to decorate my house. It's all like rustic and wood. Look at that. What? What did you say before that? Must use key card to enter. I got it. Ooh, so cute. Oh, look! Look! It's perfect! It's Oscar with a cigar! That's perfect for you. That's hilarious. That's how Thomas envisions Oscar all the time. Gluten-free chicken and waffles. None. All gluten over there. Yum, yum, yummy in my tummy.
Follow the road until further instructions.
I was listening to that song.
Sorry. I'm sorry. You have a booger hanging out of your nose again. Every time we vlog.
Good job.
So we just stayed at King Daddy's. It was this cute little cafe thingy in the Asheville. And I had gluten-free chicken and waffles, and it was so good. It was just delicious. Especially since I could eat it. Fried chicken, I haven't had it forever, which is good because it's not even good for you. But it was delicious. Thank you for bringing me. Now we're headed to the Blue Ridge Parkway Visitor Center and look up some falls and hiking spots to go do some hiking while the sun's out. Should be fun. It's actually kind of warm outside. It feels nice. It's like perfect temperature. Ooh, we're in a race car. Have anything to say?
Well, my song's over now.
I'm sorry. I'm a horrible fiance. Run along, little one, run along. music on again. So we stopped at the visitor center, but everything that she told us was like an hour away. So we're just, we'll do that stuff tomorrow, like go on the hikes for the waterfalls and stuff, because we have to save time to get to the Biltmore tonight. So right now we're just driving up the Blue Ridge Parkway the other way, the way that she told us not to go, but we're gonna go anyway, and just see what we find. Right?
Mm-hmm.
It's beautiful though. So we just stopped at a little pullover thingy. This is the Haw Creek Valley. I have the GoPro strapped to the top of the roof. And I really hope it doesn't fall off. Boy would be mad at me. I have to buy him a new one. So beautiful. Instead of enjoying the scenery. Oh my gosh. What a nerd. What'd you get? You got a Charizard? Wow, you suck. It's still recording. So I feel extremely bad. Like, really bad, because boy told me not to put the GoPro on top of the truck because it's gonna fall off. And what happened? It flew off, and I feel so bad. It like damaged the top of the case, and the hooks that hook into the thing to hold it on to whatever you screwed into broke off. And it was laying in the middle of the road, but it's still recording, it still works, but I have to buy him a new case. And no, oh my gosh, no, stop. We have to make a U-turn, and we're like on the edge of the mountain. So scary. Oh my gosh, please be careful. Oh my gosh. But yeah, I feel really bad. I'm really sorry.
Turn left after 1/2 mile.
I'll listen to you now. I can't do that again because I broke it. I'm sorry. Oh my gosh. Thomas is gonna buy me one of these houses up here.
In your dreams.
In the mountains. I wish. Hopefully. I'm sure there's no one else coming around the curve. We're driving into the
Destination on the
Biltmore.
left-hand side.
Thank you. We're driving into the Biltmore. I'm so excited. To the Biltmore. I'm so excited. Look at those construction. Yeah. That's just what I wanted to see.